SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2021 makes it easier than ever to succeed with your simulation-driven design efforts. The analysis process is simplified and more flexible. And with the accuracy and speed improvements, there's something for everyone, new and existing users alike. To validate how this corner mount assembly will perform, fixtures and loads are created. To reduce the calculation requirements, the hardware components are set to use a draft quality mesh. From there, we can mesh and run to solve the study. The results look great, and this study was set up and solved faster than in previous versions. This is partially because of the added support for multi-core processing of contacts and multi-core meshing available with Simulation Professional and Premium. But let's take a closer look to see how Simulation 2021 has made this whole process easier. New properties for bonded and contact interactions specify gap and stabilization regions to automatically make your simulation more robust, even for models with slightly imperfect geometries. For example, with this new property, clearances between the bolt, nut, and plate are automatically recognized and treated, saving you from inaccurate results and time spent troubleshooting the study. The results at interaction areas are more accurate with Simulation 2021. For contact interactions, cylindrical, spherical, and conical geometry correction factors are now integrated. And for bonded interactions, improved accuracy is also built in. This enables faster and more robust meshing, where interacting components don't share common mesh nodes. To check the quality of a mesh, a new diagnostics tool is available. The poor elements are now automatically isolated, making them quick and easy to find. And the mesh helper may be used to automate the mesh refinement if necessary. When it comes time to solve the study, choosing the right solver can save a lot of calculation time. This is why the automatic solver selection algorithm has been optimized to better account for many variables to give you the best run for your study and computer. Of course, for experienced users, you can still choose between the multiple solvers manually. Experienced users will also recognize the terminology updates throughout SOLIDWORKS simulation, especially when it comes to component interactions. The user interface now matches conventional industry terminology and better represents the enhancements you've seen here. From simple to complex studies, achieve success faster and easier with your simulation-driven design efforts using SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2021.